call is do a little progress review, because last few weeks, I actually just done it with you already, Aiden. But like last few weeks, I talked with Lisa on this call about her health and niche channel. So I was wondering if, Lisa, you already started it, if you made your decision. Bobby wants to start a new channel, but he's not on this call. And if anyone else is like, if I gave anyone else advice the last few weeks on the calls or in the school chat, I would love to hear from you, like how your progress is going. So I don't want to force anyone to talk here if you don't want to, but I would love to like keep you accountable to also doing the work. Step to the mic, guys. Yeah. Take up the mic and talk.
I can start off.
Yes, I would love to, Lisa. Thank you.
Yeah, so I picked my niche, and I'm now looking into the SEO part. And I watched your video about that, but then I saw the new video you made about the Chat GPT, or just like to use it as so not do the research yourself for SEO, but just do it via AI. I'm now looking into that, and
With that
if I
software, you mean? Or what?
yes,
All
with
right.
the
Yeah.
software.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what the name was here. Yay or something
Called,
like that.
yeah. Taja, I think. Taya.
Ah,
Taya.
yeah, that's the one. Yeah, so I'm looking into that.
Yeah.
And then I'm also looking at using a AI voiceover, or just hiring somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and is for hiring a voiceover, do you recommend to do that for specific niches, or it doesn't really?
Honestly, I would always use AI voiceovers right now. Like almost all the freelancers that sell their services on Fiverr and Upwork use AI already, but you just can't
Okay.
hear it because it's so good nowadays. If
Yeah.
you, the normal price for a freelancer for a voiceover for like 10 minutes is usually like $15, $10 to $20 in between. 11 Labs costs $22 a month, and then you can make like 10-minute videos with that pricing, and then you can pay more to get more voiceovers. It's quicker and it's cheaper. And honestly, you can like pick your exact voiceover that you want, like the vibe for your channel, for example, right? You can pick a
Yeah.
male, older voice, or like a female, younger voice, or like higher pitch, lower pitch, like dark, deep voice, or very happy, enthusiastic guy. So you can pick exactly the voice you want on 11 Labs or any other AI software. You don't hear that it's AI anymore if you do like your script writing correct and your punctuation correct. So it's,
Yeah.
in my eyes, I would really use AI.
Okay. Okay, cool. And then for the SEO part, I saw that you already have to have your video link
Mm-hmm.
for Taja.
Yeah.
Do you also recommend then using Taja, or could you
Yeah.
also do it?
So if you have a free trial version on Taja that you can, I think, do 3 videos with to do the
Ah,
SEO for. So first, like build your videos and upload like 3 or 4 videos on your channel, but don't post them yet. Like don't put them live yet. If you upload a video, you can still, it's not immediately online, basically, right? You can schedule it
mhm.
ahead.
Yeah.
Or just leave it on there. So once it's on there, then you can get a link, put it in Taja, and then it does the SEO work for you. And then you can just fill it in your channel SEO and video SEO.
Okay. Yeah, cool. Makes
Right.
sense.
So
Yeah.
just, yeah, start building your channel, do the scripts. I would recommend using the AI voiceover because it's just quicker and cheaper. And then
Yeah.
I would hire a video editor if I were you, because that's just a pain in the ass if you've got to do it yourself.
Yeah, I'm not. No, I'm not gonna do that. It
Yeah.
takes way too many hours.
All right. But great that you decided on a niche, and I would love to see your first video go live. So you don't have to share it here, but if you want to share it private with me, then I can look over it and see if everything is looking all right, okay?
Yeah, thank you. I will. I will do that.
Once you have your video, yeah. All right. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for sharing. Aiden, I just talked with you